With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is, a stone is projected from the ground with velocity 50 meter per second at the angle of 30 degree. It crosses a wall after 3 seconds. How far beyond the wall the stone will strike to the ground? We have to take acceleration due to gravity 10 meter per second square. A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find the D here, distance at which the stone will strike the ground. So the solution of this question is, we have a stone is projectile along the ground. So this is our stone is projected along the ground. So in this direction we have u cos theta. U is initial velocity and u is in this direction, that is 50 meter per second given to us, and this is the theta, and here we have the u sin theta component, and downward we know that acceleration due to gravity is acting. So we know that total time of flight is given by in the projectile motion. So this will equals to 2 time of velocity, that is initial velocity, sin theta, and this is divided by g. So we have u is 50 meter per second and we have the theta is 30 degree. So if we put the all values, so we get total time of flight is equals to 2 time of 50 and sin theta is sin 30, that is 1 by 2. So we can write here, and g is 10. So from this we can write here, this is 50 into 1 by 2 and this is divided by 10. So 2 and 2 will cancel out and 10 will cancel out. So we get total time of flight is equals to, so we can write here, total time of flight is 2 second is 5 second here, 5 is left here, 2 and 2 cancel out. So this is 5 second here, and the time to cross the wall is given to us 3 second. And time in air after crossing the wall, time in air after crossing wall is 5 second minus 3 second, that is equals to 2 second. So from this we can say that the stone will strike the ground after crossing the wall. So this is the distance is equals to, beyond the wall is u cos theta into t. So we have u is initial velocity is 50 and cos 30 is under root 3 by 2 and t is 2 second. So from this 2 and 2 will cancel out. So we get distance d is equals to 50 root 3 and this will equals to 86.6 meter. So this is the distance beyond the wall and this is our answer. Now we check which option is correct here. So our option C is correct here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.